What does it profit if a man gains the whole world yet loses his soul? Here is a beautiful song. When peace like a river attendeth my way, when sorrows like sea billows roll, whatever my Lord thou hast taught me to say, it is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. Though Satan should buffet, though trials should come, let this blessed assurance control, that Christ has regarded my helpless estate and has shed his own blood for my soul. It is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. My sin, oh, the bliss of this glorious thought, my sin not in part but the whole, is nailed to his cross, and I bear it no more. Praise the Lord, oh my soul. It is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. For me, be it Christ tends to live. If dark cause about me shall roll, no pang shall be mine, for in death as in life thou wilt whisper thy peace to my soul. It is well with my soul.